Welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and I am Stitch, and on this episode, we got a new RC for the channel, so stay tuned. All right, well, welcome back. You're going to probably hear fire truck sounds, and you're going to hear airplanes, because I've been waiting all morning to do this video. I am so excited. I hope you guys are excited too, but you guys are gonna have to deal with these sounds because I just can't get rid of them today. But anyways, right behind me here is our new RC for the channel. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got. Look at that bad boy. Yep. So we picked up on the holiday special from Horizon Hobbies. We got the Outcast 8S EXB. So this one doesn't have electronics in it, but we got some electronics you guys can see over here we're going to put in it. So we got the Max 5 Hobby Wing, and we also got the Easy Run comparable motor. It's the 800 kV 56113 brushless motor, the big boy. And then we can't have a big boy without having another big boy. So we picked up the Derricks RC Beast 2000 5th scale servo that's going into this bad boy. So coming back over here, this is what we got. I still left the little cellophane on the top because I wanted you guys to be the first to see this reveal. But let's go ahead and get this plastic off. Oh, we're stuck over here. Look at that. Ain't she pretty? You can see my kids' pumpkins are still over there. But let's go ahead and look under the hood here. So we'll get these off. This is officially the biggest RC I have to date on the channel. My next biggest is still an 8th scale. And that is the Low C Muggy. That is actually my son's RC, and it's bigger than my other ones, but this happens to be the biggest now. So I'm seeing this for the first time as you guys are too. Let me put this down. So look at that, on how pretty. Let's see if we can spin it around here. Oh, it's heavy. But there you go. So it's got all of the EXB. We're not really going to do too much major upgrades to this, at least not off the bat. We're going to kind of keep it stock. Don't really plan on super sending this bad boy. We're just going to be doing a lot of ripping around. And we're going to be taking this out to the AZRC Bashers Jingle Bell Bash that's coming up here next weekend. As you can hear, there's a plane up above me. But we're going to get all of this put together and installed. Yeah, dang plane. You can't really see it. The sun's in the way. But I live close to the Goodyear Airport, so they're apparently doing all of their test flying today. Or student flying, however you want to say. But these shocks are just massive. Look at that. So I'm not saying we're not going to get any upgrades for it. We are. It's just not right now. We're just dealing with this guy's stock. What comes in it is you've also got this instruction manual that comes with it. The classic ARMA instruction manual comes with the tools. It looks like there's plastic pieces in here. This looks like it's probably for the ESC and your steering servo. So we'll get that unboxed and installed. Comes with some more shock dampers for inside the shock. And it looks like this is part of the steering. Looks like you got some extra strings. And there's the plane again. See, I told you guys, I've been trying this all morning, and you guys are gonna have to just deal with the noise. But that's more, looks like it's goes up here for the steering mechanism, right up in here. And then, of course, we've got looks like another spur gear, and we've got some different motor mount options depending on what size motor. Looks like this one says for 56 series, and what does this other one say here? it says 449 series. So you got two different motor plates for it. So we got all of that. I'm going to get some electronics installed in this, and then I will be back for a final portion of the video. Let me go ahead and turn you guys back around. So yeah, we'll get the electronics installed in this bad boy and get her ready, and then I'll bring you guys back for the final part of the video, and we'll show you with the electronics in it. And then you guys will have to wait till this weekend. It is a weekend right now, but you guys will have to wait till next weekend when we're out at the AZRC Bashers, and we'll get some run video of this bad boy ripping it up for the first time. So go ahead and stay tuned, and I'll bring you guys back with some electronics. All right, so we're back. It's been about 2 days. I had to order a pinion gear for this because I didn't read online properly. So when you are buying this EXB, especially the I think it's the Creighton and the Outcast, when you buy the EXB roller, you need to buy your own pinion gear. So luckily I was able to get one within 2 days, and we got it up and running. We actually ordered 3 different pinion gears, and they're all the Arma 8mm shaft mod 1s, and I got the 24. I've also got the 27, and I have a 25. So I got all 3 of those, but we're going to start with the 24 tooth pinion for now, and then we'll see. We'll probably go up 1 tooth and see how that does, and then go to the 27 tooth pinion. So let's go ahead and look and see what we got installed. All right, so we did get the Max 5 installed. We also got, you can see I got the 18 kV motor installed. This is the 24 tooth pinion. And when installing this bad boy here, let's see if we can show you guys. So you got really close on that, and that's actually your steering linkage. You can see it move. It's really close, and I actually had to shave that down a little bit with just a hand file just to make sure it doesn't rub. And after shaving it down, we got pretty good movement on it. Also, with installing the Reefs Beast 2000 in there, you can also see what is not installed. If you guys guessed it right, I do not have the servo saver installed because it won't fit with this servo in there. And the reason why it won't fit is I can't get a bolt big enough down the center to the horn where the horn connects up. I couldn't get it down to that spline there. I couldn't get it tightened down. So we removed the servo saver. I saw that there's been a couple of other people, including ExoCage, that did it without installing it, and they didn't really have any issues. So we're gonna kind of roll that way and see what happens. Hopefully I don't destroy this servo. With connecting it up, you've got to have your own power coming from the battery. So what I've done is I made kind of an extension to it and connected up. See if we can get it focused there. I put an extension on here with that connection, so if I need to replace the servo and I go with a standard servo that I can use the servo saver with, I can just remove this off. I don't have to do very much rewiring. We are going to be running some RC LiPo. They're the 5200 4S dual batteries. This is their 120C. We got both of those installed. And everything else is pretty much stock. Let's go ahead and get the shell back on here. So this thing's a beast. It's heavy. We did also get it mated up with our FlySky Noble Pro, or the MB4 Pro. We got it mated up with that, and you guys will be seeing some YouTube shorts coming up here in the next day or so with this guy running up and down the street, and then I'll bring you guys back up top here. All right, so we're gonna We're not going to do any heavy bashing with this bad boy right now, but you will see it out there at the AZRC Bashers event. And of course, you guys on YouTube, you guys will see some of that footage of this bad boy running out at that event too. Well, that's it. That's the new one for the channel. You guys, I'll let you know what I think of it. I've been wanting one of these bad boys for a while. My wife has got the 6S version of this bad boy. And, you know, we call that one Black Betty. My son's got the 4S version for herself, Little Betty. And now we have Big Betty right here. I hope you guys like the content. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.